carried by the rail. Ferrari 1 on the outside. And the next episode running in fourth. And the last bend for home is still Money Man in the lead, followed by Ferrari 1 on the outside. And into the home stretch is still Money Man, followed by Ferrari 1 on the outside. The next episode moving up on the inside of El Banquero. And into the home stretch is still Money Man, followed by Ferrari 1 on the outside. It's Money Man and Ferrari 1 fighting it out for the lead. It's Money Man and Ferrari 1 on the outside. Money Man, Ferrari 1 on the outside. Money Man, Ferrari 1. Finally at the playoff line. It's a close finish between Ferrari 1 and Money Man.
Finish po tayo doon between entry number 6, Ferrari 1, and entry number 3, Money Man. Winner take all po natin. Kung sa 6 po, 1,238,652 pesos ang matitira. Kung 3 naman po, 2,308,586. Winner take all pool po natin, inabot ng 4,217,053. Winning time for that just concluded race, 1 minute 15.6 seconds with quarter times of 25.5, 24. And coming home at 26. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating mga official dividends. It's now official, Bayan Carista. 63728. Win po natin, 15 pesos. Forecast, 63, 1950. Trifecta, 637, 2140. Quartet, 6372. Nagbigay po ng 137. Pentafecta, 63728. Nagbigay po ng 336 and 40 centavos. Congratulations po sa connections ng winning horse sa si Ferrari 1 rider R.R. De Leon, owned and trained by J.A. Lapus. Ang lahi po niyan, Treasure K out of Consa. Up next is race number 2. Palalam po, carry over po ang ating pick 6. Meron pong carry over amount na 114,130.95. This is a class 4 division 7B race. 1,200 meters po ang distansya natin dyan. Meron po tayong 10 kalahok dyan. Ang nalalamado po, number 10, Ravishing Rafi. At bago po sa lahat, meron po tayong program changes para po sa race number 2. Yung Dream Maker po will carry a handicap weight of 49 kilograms instead of 48. Kasi po, naka-5 panalo na yung AR Villegas, so babawasan po siya ng 1 kilo. At mamaya po, sa race number 8, Money for Rap will carry a handicap weight of 55 kilograms instead of 54. 18 minutes till race number 2. Magbabalik po kami.